Right now, cinematic 3D Bible stories are generating millions of views across social media. These epic animated narratives are trending because they bring ancient history to life with high-end visuals. In this tutorial, you will see exactly how to create these high-quality 3D animations step by step, completely from scratch. First, click the link for the Eden Sign 3D GPT in the video description. This link opens the custom tool directly inside your ChatGPT account. Click on the Start Chat button to begin. Now you need to provide a Bible story or a character name. For this example, type David and Goliath into the message bar. Hit enter. The GPT starts working immediately to build your 6-scene narrative arc. You will see the GPT generate a chronological story spanning from the initial call to faith. Look closely at the output and you will see a gray code block for every single scene. These blocks contain the ready-to-use image prompts. Each block has a copy button in the top right corner. Click that copy button. Now that you have your prompts, open Google Flow. You will see a long text field at the very top of the interface. Paste your first prompt from the GPT right into that field. Now look for the Model Selector drop-down menu on the right side. Click it and select Imagen 4. This specific model is the best at handling the atmospheric lighting and 3D stylized characters we need for this look. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16. If you are making a vertical short, click the Generate button. While that first image is rendering, copy the second prompt. Paste the second prompt you copied from the GPT. Hit Generate again. Repeat this process for all 6 narrative scenes. Once all your images are finished, click the download icon on each one to save them to your computer. Now we need to turn these still images into cinematic video clips. Go to Flex Clip, click on the Tools menu and select the Image to Video option. Upload your very first image of David. Now look for the model selector and choose Kling Standard 2.6. This model provides the most stable character movement and realistic lighting transitions. Find the motion prompt field. Type a short description like, slow subtle dust particles moving in the wind. Click, generate, and wait for the render to finish. Once it is done, download the video clip. Now upload your second image to Flex Clip. Change the motion prompt to something like wide panning shot of the valley. Click generate again. Do this for every one of your 6 images. One more thing before we move on, you can download the character reference image from the link in the description. Every time you generate a new scene in Google Flow, upload this reference image alongside your prompt. This ensures that David and Goliath look exactly the same in every single shot of your movie. Now, if you want to skip all that manual work, there is a much faster way to scale this entire process. We put together everything you need inside our school community. Click the link in the description to join. Go to the classroom section and find the lesson for the biblical epic workflow. You will find all the master prompts ready to copy. Now grab those prompts and paste them into our custom Airtable template. The link to the template is right there in the lesson. Click the link and duplicate that template to your own Airtable workspace. Look for the column labeled Story Idea. Type in your next episode idea, like Noah and the Great Flood. Now, hit the automation button at the top of the table. The system runs everything automatically in the background. It generates the narrative, creates the image prompts, and organizes all your assets in one place. You don't have to switch between 5 different tabs or copy and paste manually anymore. Now your video needs an epic soundtrack to match the visuals. Go back to Flex Clip. In the music search bar, type Cinematic Orchestral or Ancient Dramatic. Browse the results and pick a track that feels reverent and powerful. Download that track. Now, go to the Sound Effects section in Flex Clip. Search for deep cinematic impacts and wind ambience. Download a few of these to add depth to your environment. For the narration, go to GPT and type Provide me a voiceover. Then go to 11 Labs. Paste the script that the GPT generated for you into the text field. Browse the voice library and find a voice that sounds deep, authoritative, and dramatic. Click Generate and then download the high-quality audio file. Now it is time to assemble everything. Open the editor in Flex Clip. Import all 6 of your video clips, your music, your sound effects, and your narration file. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in chronological order. Place the narration track on the layer above the video. Line up the clips so the visuals match the words being spoken. Drop your music track onto the bottom layer and lower the volume to about 20% so it doesn't drown out the voice. Add your sound effects at the key moments of impact. Trim any extra space at the end of the clips to make the transitions snappy. Your video is now ready to be shared with the world.
In the quiet fields of Bethlehem, where only sheep and wind kept watch, a shepherd boy learned to listen, not to the noise of men, but to the whisper of God.
You could upload it to every platform manually, but there is a better way. If you are on a budget, use Metricool to schedule your posts to multiple accounts at once. If you want the absolute best experience, use Vista Social. Upload your video once and write your title and description. Then, schedule it to go live on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, all from one single dashboard. You can plan out an entire month of Bible stories in just one afternoon. Then you can sit back and let the tools do the heavy lifting while your channel grows. Remember, everything you need, including the prompts, the Airtable template, and the full workflow, is waiting for you in the school community. The link is in the description.